English speaking practice. 50 common questions and answers with do you. The present simple tense. Do you like to read books? Yes, I do. I love reading. Do you drink coffee in the morning? Yes, I do. I need my caffeine fix. Do you have any pets? No, I don't. I'm allergic to fur. Do you enjoy cooking? Yes, I do. It's one of my hobbies. Do you prefer hot or cold weather? I prefer hot weather. I love the sun. Do you exercise regularly? Yes, I do. I try to work out 3 times a week. Do you watch TV before bed? Yes, I do. It helps me unwind. Do you speak any other languages? Yes, I do. I speak Spanish fluently. Do you like spicy food? Yes, I do. The spicier, the better. Do you listen to music while you work? Yes, I do. It helps me focus. Do you take public transportation to work or school? No, I don't. I drive my car. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I do. I have one sister. Do you have any hobbies? Yes, I do. I love painting and hiking. Do you prefer tea or coffee? I prefer coffee. I love the taste and the smell. Do you like to travel? Yes, I do. I love exploring new places. Do you enjoy going to the movies? Yes, I do. It's one of my favorite things to do. Do you have any favorite sports teams? Yes, I do. I'm a big fan of the Lakers. Do you like to dance? Yes, I do. It's a great way to have fun and exercise. Do you like to read the news? Yes, I do. I like to stay informed about current events. Do you enjoy spending time outdoors? Yes, I do. I love hiking, camping, and going to the beach. Do you have any allergies? Yes, I do. I'm allergic to peanuts. Do you enjoy going to concerts? Yes, I do. Live music is always a good time. Do you have a favorite TV show? Yes, I do. I love watching Friends. Do you like to go out to eat? Yes, I do. Trying new restaurants is always fun. Do you have a favorite type of food? Yes, I do. I love Italian cuisine. Do you like to go shopping? Yes, I do. It's always nice to treat myself to something new. Do you enjoy going to the gym? Yes, I do. It's a great way to stay in shape. Do you have any fears or phobias? Yes, I do. I'm afraid of heights. Do you like to swim? Yes, I do. It's a great way to cool off on a hot day. Do you have any favorite authors? Yes, I do. I love reading books by Stephen King. Do you like to go to the beach? Yes, I do. It's one of my favorite places to relax. Do you have any favorite movies? Yes, I do. I love The Godfather. Do you like to play video games? Yes, I do. It's a fun way to pass the time. Do you have any favorite musicians? Yes, I do. I love listening to Adele. Do you like to go for walks? Yes, I do. It's a great way to clear my head. Do you have any favorite TV channels? Yes, I do. I love watching the Food Network. Do you have a favorite type of cuisine? Yes, I do. I love Mexican food. Do you like to go to the gym with a friend? Yes, I do. It's always more fun to have someone to work out with. Do you enjoy watching sports? Yes, I do. I love watching football. Do you like to take naps? Yes, I do. Napping is a great way to recharge. Do you have any favorite video games? Yes, I do. I love playing The Legend of Zelda. Do you like to attend live events? Yes, I do. Live music and theater are always fun. Do you have any favorite actors? Yes, I do. I love watching movies with Tom Hanks. Do you like to exercise outdoors? Yes, I do. It's a great way to enjoy the fresh air. Do you enjoy spending time with family? Yes, I do. Family time is important to me. Do you have a favorite type of book? Yes, I do. I love reading mystery novels. Do you like to ride bikes? Yes, I do. It's a great way to explore new areas. Do you have any favorite websites? Yes, I do. I love browsing Reddit. Do you like to meditate? Yes, I do. It's a great way to relax and clear my mind.